What is your view on everything that's going on with Gen AI? You mentioned ChatGPT. How has your business changed, and what are you thinking about as it relates to the application of UI and cash management?
Yeah, I wouldn't say that our business has changed a ton yet. Just about everyone in the business uses AI in some form or fashion daily. A guy named Jeff Woods, he authored a book called The AI Driven Leader. What he talks about a lot is that AI is a fantastic thought partner and a fantastic, piece of technology, but it's not a thought leader. It's not replacing the job, it's augmenting the job. At least that's where it is today. And of course, it's changing very quickly, but that's where it is today. And we've seen in finance specifically, a few examples where folks were made to believe that it was there as far as replacing the work. So I'm thinking of Bench, which was the GL
Yep.
platform and automated bookkeeper, and Scale Factor, which is actually a couple years ago, but similar concept that it was theoretically the AI bookkeeper. Both of them had over $100 million invested, and both of them are not in business anymore. And might AI get us there? Sure. But today, to me, it's a thing that we can all be using to augment what we do and to make more efficient what we do, but it's not replacing what we do at this stage.